How to add video background banner to Shopify homepage. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add video background banner to Shopify homepage with Autoplay. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. So then to add a background banner, you'll need to first of all log in into your Shopify account. For that, type in admin.shopify.com and it's gonna direct you to the dashboard page. So while you're on this page, you can see in the left hand side bar there are multiple options. Go ahead and tap on online store. As soon as you click the button, you'll be able to multiple options in the right hand side bar. After that, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see customize, and just next to it tap on the three dot icon. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to tap on the edit code button. It's going to take you to this kind of interface. Here you'll need to create a section first of all. So for that, you need to scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option as add section. Once you've done that, once again you'll need to click on add a new section. After that, you need to select liquid and type in background name. So for that, it's going to be background dash video, and then click on the done button located in the bottom side of your screen. Once the section has been created, you can see there's the code appears. Here you'll need to copy the code first of all. Now you need to select this particular code and then you need to replace it with the other one. Now remove the code that is present right over here. On the new tab, you need to type in a link that is pspin.com/. Don't worry about the link, you can also find it on my description. That you can now copy this code. So you code till the bottom. Go ahead and open up your Shopify account once again. Here you need to paste in the code that you recently copied. Now click on save and the asset has been saved. Now once you're done making changes, exit from this particular page and head back to your dashboard or the online store page. So from here, scroll down once again. Now in the three dot icon, click on customize. Tap on the customize button. Once again, go to template and select add text. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as video background. Now go ahead and tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see that the background has been added. As you can see, this is the particular video banner. So here you can see this, the video banner has been added. Create a page, you'll need to upload a content. So for that, you need to exit from this particular page again. And click on the leave button. After that, you need to go to your home page. And here you can see there is content. So go ahead and tap on content. Now you'll need to upload the content. So for that, go ahead and tap on add entry and click on create view, which is right over here. After you tap on the content button, now you can see underneath there is a button as files. From here, you need to go ahead and upload the file or the content. So go ahead and tap on upload files and then select it from your drive. For example, let's go with this one. Once you've done that, the file has been uploaded. And what you need to do is after the file has been completely uploaded, copy the link by tapping on the icon located right in the corner. Now head back to the same page of your Shopify online store. Again, you'll need to do the same procedure, that is go ahead and tap on add section, go to video background. Once you've done that, the page will be created over here. After that, you need to go ahead and enter in all of the information, such as you can just customize the font, you can just change the theme, all that. And after that, you need to tap on the save button, and as soon as you've done that, refresh or log out of your Shopify account. Once you've done that, video background banner Shopify homepage has been added here. So this is how you can add video banner. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.